Hello everyone, I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Welcome to a new video about microneedling for hair growth. Hair loss isn't just a cosmetic concern. It's a deeply personal struggle that impacts identity and self-esteem. While the market floods with quick fixes, microneedling has emerged as a game changer. Leveraging the body's innate healing to revive hair naturally, this comprehensive guide will explore every facet of microneedling for hair growth, from cellular level science. The science behind microneedling and hair growth magic of microneedling lies in its ability to activate the body's natural healing processes. When the tiny needles penetrate the scalp, they create micro-injuries that stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, two proteins essential for healthy skin and hair. These micro-injuries also trigger the release of growth factors like VEGF and FGF, which promote the formation of new blood vessels and improve blood flow to the hair follicles. Enhanced blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the follicles, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Additionally, microneedling activates the WNT beta-catenin signaling pathway, a critical regulator of hair follicle cycling. This pathway helps shift hair follicles from the resting phase to the growth phase, effectively reviving dormant follicles. Studies have shown that microneedling can increase the expression of WNT proteins by up to 300%, significantly boosting hair regeneration. Furthermore, the microchannels created by the needles allow for better absorption of topical treatments like minoxidil, making them up to 400% more effective. Choosing the right microneedling device. When it comes to microneedling, the device you choose can make a significant difference in your results. The most common tools include dermarollers, dermapens, and motorized stamps. Dermarollers are cylindrical devices covered with fine needles, typically ranging from 192 to 540 needles. They're affordable and easy to use, but require careful sterilization to prevent infections. Dermapens, on the other hand, are electric devices with disposable needle cartridges. They offer adjustable needle depths, allowing for more precise treatment. Brands like dermapen and Derminator are popular choices for at-home use. Motorized stamps, often used in clinical settings, stamped vertically into the skin, minimizing the risk of micro tears. These devices are ideal for more advanced cases of hair loss. Needle length is another critical factor. For topical product absorption, needles between 0.25 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters are sufficient. For stimulating collagen and hair follicle regeneration, needles between 0.75 millimeters and 1.5 millimeters are recommended. Needles longer than 1.5 millimeters should only be used under professional supervision to avoid scarring. The microneedling procedure. Step by step, a typical microneedling session begins with cleansing the scalp to remove any dirt, oil, or product buildup. A numbing cream may be applied to minimize discomfort, especially if longer needles are being used. The microneedling device is then glided over the scalp in vertical, horizontal, and diagonal directions to ensure even coverage. Mild redness and pinpoint bleeding are normal and indicate that the treatment is working. The entire process usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. After the session, it's essential to avoid sun exposure, harsh chemicals, and sweating for at least 24 hours to allow the scalp to heal. Many people choose to pair microneedling with PRP or growth serums to enhance results. PRP involves drawing a small amount of the patient's blood, processing it to concentrate the platelets, and then injecting it into the scalp. This combination can significantly boost hair regrowth by providing an additional source of growth factors. Benefits of microneedling beyond hair growth. While microneedling is primarily known for its hair regrowth benefits, it also offers several other advantages for scalp health. The procedure helps unclog hair follicles, reducing dandruff and sebum buildup. It also thickens the scalp's dermal layer, providing a stronger foundation for hair growth. Unlike oral medications like finasteride, which can have systemic side effects, microneedling is a localized treatment with minimal risks. It's also cost-effective compared to other hair restoration methods. At-home microneedling devices start at around $50, while professional sessions typically range from $200 to $500. Results from microneedling are progressive. with noticeable improvements appearing within 3 to 6 months and continued growth over 12 to 18 months with consistent treatment. Risks and who should avoid microneedling. While microneedling is generally safe, it's not without risks. Overuse of the procedure can damage hair follicles and lead to scarring. Improper sterilization of devices can result in infections, so it's crucial to clean needles thoroughly before and after each use. Temporary side effects like itching, swelling, and flaking are common but usually subside within a few days. Microneedling is not suitable for everyone. Individuals with active scalp conditions like psoriasis or eczema should avoid the procedure, as it can exacerbate these conditions. Those with blood disorders or who are on blood thinners should consult a doctor before starting microneedling. Pregnant women are also advised to avoid the treatment due to the lack of research on its effects during pregnancy. Microneedling versus other hair loss treatments. Microneedling stands out among hair loss treatments for its natural approach and minimal side effects. Minoxidil and finasteride, two of the most common treatments, require lifelong use and can cause side effects like scalp irritation and hormonal changes. Hair transplants, while effective, are invasive and costly, with prices ranging from $4,000 to $15,000. Laser therapy, another popular option, lacks the collagen-boosting benefits of microneedling. Microneedling's ability to enhance the absorption of topical treatments and its compatibility with other therapies like PRP make it a versatile and effective choice for hair restoration. Real-world success stories. Success of microneedling is not just supported by clinical studies, but also by countless real-world testimonials. Take Sarah, a 34-year-old woman who experienced significant hair loss after pregnancy. After 6 months of consistent microneedling sessions, she saw a 70% improvement in hair density. Then there's John, a 45-year-old man battling male pattern baldness. With monthly microneedling sessions combined with PRP, he noticed a significant thickening of his crown area. Dermatologists recognize microneedling as a safe, effective treatment for hair loss, particularly for conditions like androgenetic alopecia, Dr. Samantha Ellis explains. It stimulates the scalp's natural healing process, reviving dormant follicles and improving scalp health. Many recommend combining it with treatments like minoxidil or PRP for enhanced results. Dr. Michael Carter adds, microneedling boosts topical treatment absorption by up to 400%, making it a powerful adjunct therapy. However, experts caution against overuse or improper technique, which can cause scarring or infection. When done correctly, dermatologists agree microneedling is a game changer for hair restoration. DIY versus professional microneedling. What's best for you? Deciding between at-home and professional microneedling depends on your needs and comfort level. At-home kits are convenient and cost-effective, but require discipline and proper technique to avoid complications. Professional treatments, while more expensive, offer the advantage of precision and expertise. Dermatologists can tailor the treatment to your specific condition, ensuring optimal results. For beginners, starting with shorter needles, it's recommended to test tolerance before progressing to longer lengths. Maximizing results. Pro tips for microneedling success. To get the most out of microneedling, consistency is key. Stick to a regular schedule, typically every 4 to 6 weeks, and pair the treatment with a nutrient-rich diet. Biotin, zinc, and iron are particularly important for hair health. Post-treatment care is also crucial. Use gentle sulfate-free shampoos and avoid harsh chemicals for at least 48 hours after each session. Applying peptide-rich serums or hyaluronic acid can help soothe the scalp and accelerate healing. Tracking your progress with monthly photos can also help you stay motivated and monitor improvements. The future of microneedling. Innovations to watch. The field of microneedling is continually evolving, with new innovations on the horizon. RF microneedling, which combines radio frequency with traditional needling, is gaining popularity for its ability to deliver heat deep into the dermis, further stimulating collagen production. Nanoneedle patches, which dissolve into the skin, are another exciting development. offering a pain-free alternative for delivering nutrients directly to hair follicles. AI-powered devices that analyze scalp conditions and customize treatments are also in the works, promising even more personalized and effective solutions for hair loss. Microneedling bridges cutting-edge science and natural healing, offering hope where other treatments fall short. Whether you're battling genetics, hormones, or stress-induced shedding, this method empowers you to take control. Pair it with patience, consistency, and professional guidance, and your scalp's potential is limitless. Ready to take the first step toward thicker, healthier hair? Drop a comment below, sharing your hair goals, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on unlocking your best self.